Fanuel muyaba gusigla boredi wakiri weri wetamana so toko moncho mutagarari chinga kechi ekero ngokoletera na ndo moroberio na tigete ko tebianga ali tukulia lero igo ndaba so wingi kima nyuma yoko bana videl so mingo muchoga so moroberio o manyekani tuna de saya mukatoliki nigeni ngwa sisiri kwa amonere na antara ko tiga sa maboko ya Edwin Mukaya ni chiga kiabet kima ndo koletera moroberio bwe ali tukulia lero si mbuate professionals ba okwana rengani ilikuwa mboli mbora kwa mboli nga kibono murali kuna okwana igoro ya grana itinkie kibono manya nko nganingi kegendera the next 30 minutes ninkola tera bageni ba okwana ro murobelio yo na kuwa moneka ro maite awo bochu chake ngindo kwaro abantu gite bago so igoko tanga inkibono ngatikali tema ngana kingo choko kora tinti garamaega chiko mwiri musan matabenga tuwa chakire to garamaega Olino tiri on the mic. Nam. Ekeron digreti online igaiga ekeron digreti online enta ite kwera chimesi cheno kungango kegima entarare tabagini vitu kulia ro ajuma pira Valencia igago te watching live from Enchoro Chinsemo Chia Kisi ngakigusi ekwerete omuske ayuma Peter and debiango nga wa share stream eyo elinki wa tumira bairi na basani gosota que te coño ora mangana ya bugeka kuru Saudi Arabia tunde ina hade mwisho akurunga Sara Mose message na nyewe klase screen ya boyo ensam ya Twitter Facebook niko tore Twitter live niko tore Facebook live kutoka bana YouTube live imeja pa kusi Global Radio Sara Mose na nyola mangana yo Irene aga kurukwanga Hairini nyanduko kurba hirini ago tabanga buja king maro oyo mto Liliani ongaki kurisa mcha Colorado korada una singanje the king masuko tara by the way ya asaga ya king marakini wako menyani nyairo gete karokende ekeresi nego chiko chaka Baghdad Evelyn Mora ago tabanga tuwa chakire king ma bono tinda gitiko so machimes mezi enchakire elinde ngebe egingo koletera litu kulia lero chiko muiru musani share the link share the stream hele to manyana kemangana agenda enseme yo mwancho matere chite kani komenanya igoro yekinsa isano naibere chiabono mobaso ritu konelia Jumapili chitariki nemeronge bere enakianda akara mangana rama komkingma ngaki ya covid bantu bagote banga endagra ya bere butuboke ngano ene mirma bande batene ni we lakini we thank God nga bado we are kicking gona kuruta tole chinta cho omoneno tuanjire cho sivino cho ya kuruchinza mucha Texas nyamuongora bango tu wada tu ya king masande sana tigangonte ne nyoko tero okay amase monster kurugo kuruchiza mochia kisi na korolire ntara kuira se studio kitu cha usi intageto chake amase amonyoro yo mtodili yani tima tiri yani no ensema ya Colorado wairire bya
wairire moralia no to koigwete bya sana. Thank you for this platform.
Biyamono kegima ngakia abantu baitumbiye bare
abantu baitumbiye bare kati maye bituno na to komyokani ne chinkabine ne chisimba chiriche mountain beyonce no to mete we are trying to cause exist
ndara ko boli introduce team yo karo keno o tore tro mogeri bwi tukulia lero ntage tukura aso bwango kegima omuntu na ali tukulia lero so ira sembe o tamaidinga grana iti diaspora sako ningi aso wingi kima motebi yango nga ningi ke koro ku grana iti.
A Grand Granite is a SACCO, and for those who don't know what the SACCO is, this is the Savings and Credit Cooperative Society. We do have also the investment. So we are part of the diaspora SACCOs here. Our SACCO is a unique one, and you do not want to miss it. We have people of common bond, and we are trying to make wonders. You want to be part of those wonders. The wonders is there to boost the financial inclusion. And that is the Grand Granite. Welcome aboard, wananchi. Tusonge sana. Twende. Umraja. Next.
Ngakingo kora onye tindi member so Grand Granite. Na ende ekerona so ire mboita kingo nyora.
Ero. So we have a website. Even if you go to Google, Aboko Itanga Grand Granite Diaspora SACCO, it will just pop right there. It will tell you what to do. Go ahead and join us. When you join us, Lily will be reaching out to you. Our support team will be reaching out to you, or the management. They will guide you in case you do not have somebody who is going to refer you, because we are member referral system. As I told you, we are unique. Right now, Mr. Ontiri is right here. Use the Abagusi Global Radio, or you can write the short term of it, AGR, for your reference. And there we'll get back and talk to you. We'll take you through the registration process, give you the basic education so you can understand and make an informed decision on the organization that we are and you're about to join.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ndo jena wae akuru kungo ga ke kuru chemo ro smokia kuru chemo chana kuru ga gote banga amangana yo yenyori ro yeke mano Jennifer Kiruba gote banga I'm ready to join. Bono after this forum bono to koro moro yo nko gote itole ngana ki oko nyara ko bako to ikira na ye obo yo muito mete ekaramanto bago samba kanyama ko kororanga kero kine na engo itakware abantu bali bagotara no monyo bade batara ni yara ni mobuko bago ikase ke te banyora kanyama bate banga na inche I'm very ready ikobono naye go ikobe ready akanyama gatoko sambaga elinde onyore getalia. Asante sana bono etimu yao ne ready wateri tukulia lero
Enyumantara arente timu ya nega buri gwachina ga pilipili ka umno moralia teba kanyama kaliyo gocha konyoraga bono iza asege songo rende tiandara ebeke ke mombe kyonga. We are saving our culture. Those are the benefits that you're going to get when you join us. You come and enjoy the opportunities of investment. We have the loans which have cheap interest rates. Dividends and interest are there for members. And there is the limited liabilities. Now switching on to go to my team here, I will start with Mr. Joel Arama. Mr. Joel Arama is one of our members in the SACCO in the Grand Granite family or community, or you can call it the SACCO. And Mr. Arama is a system performance engineer, and he works with the Verizon. And he's also a member of the exploration team for the investment arm. So when his time comes, he's gonna be able to give us just a little bit of information about the investments. So the next I have is Mr. Abute. Mr. Abute is also, to start with, a member of the Grand Granite Diaspora SACCO. He's just joined. Ooh, yay! And Mr. Abute is the founder and the executive or the chief technical officer of TCAN. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that good. Monyavere. He's also an information and communication technologist. So Mr. Abute is a champion when it comes to ICT. When time comes for him to say, trust me, you're not gonna get enough. So moving on to the last one and the giant, we have Professor, I don't know how to nitamuita jina gani. He's a man of many talents, man of very many experience. Anyway, wacha nianzie mahali popote pale. Dr. Gitange is right now in Nairobi. Mr. Gitange or Dr. Gitange, Professor Gitange, akiwa hiyo yote ni yake. So he's an academician. That is, if you go to Nairobi University, huwezi kosa hiyo jina. He's the ICT champion. He's a Google scholar. He's a publisher, a lead consultant. He's a columnist. He's a researcher, and he's the former permanent secretary for information and communication for the Kenyan government. That was 2005 Kibaki government. Who didn't see that hour? So I'm telling you, katika hiyo yote mrundo wa taaluma, sasa wewe tegea, hujui utapata nini? I don't know what is coming your way. When it comes to Dr. Gitange, sijui utapata professor, utapata columnist, utapata researcher, Google scholar. So be ready, open your eyes, open your ears, alafu fanya ujuzi wako wote kujua that you have the internet that is working, bundles jaza hapo, stima isipotee. Haya basi, tuende kazi, mtumishi wa Mungu Omoralia Ontiri. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Sister Lilian. Mbiamono ndoje na uchi wako ranga iko sengocha kuchakira. Ono aso wing interacha to your members ingate kwa tebire ngabarabumba rabibali. These are professionals. Ono ekero togocha antaracha somo geni wiri tukuria ero kero kinde mbolye oyo minto, let me see, oyo minto abuse. Te narete kota ya abuse on rietalia eri nga abuse. Ono aina mangana magonge mana kuna kuligiri online iga ngaroranga mangana ya technology wori na boya mnyogeti. Why did you join the circle? Ngigi yako leta te circle na ende ngigi yako ngusete.
Mbiamono omokwani ito ontiri mesontiri moske. Mbiamono Professor Nemo. You are a giant in terms of entrepreneurship, and I think being a former permanent secretary in the ICD, I think I'm honored to be part of this team today. Koirana seri swari rio almost continue about it. I think I saw some rakwane. You also saw me miake nane grow magnetic computer. Nanda research got research about not to interact with technology and the in what we call in a digital space. And I think in Kovateria Devin very striking big kogera avant to understand over the harm of Sako. The and once a chibuya get where not doing a Sako. Akarado Kwana capitalization, we have a traditional system. A professor with the Kala we traditionally go to a bank, to a chibesa, a rafu to development. As a Kusinga do it at Weka. But when we come with on
Okay. Muska beauty okoranga bando si yako era ire. Give a reason you have to take to Tomo Safaricom.
I think I can con Akira. Yeah, but I'm glad I'm back. So the way nowadays to raise capital is through putting resources together. And then I can talk about how we raise resources, individual way of raise resources. It's a little bit time consuming and a little bit difficult. But we have seen the movement of SACCO. Like for example, we have a good experience. Equity Bank, said like a SACCO. And now people tend to think that people from Central Province have a lot of money. No, it's because of their capitalization rate very high. Equity Bank, they are a concept here, SACCO, and it has enabled people from Central Province to be millionaires because of that capitalization rate very high. We have all those qualifications that I think when I saw that the Granite SACCO is telling people come together, put resources together, and let us think as one and see how we can be able to raise the capitalization rate. If I was to go to alone, it might take me 50 years. But if we put together, this is what we are doing, I think it's going to be easy for us in such of time, and that is why I now change it Sake Granite.
Okay, mbiamono mske abuse. Yete ibono ko ikanje kora mazoezi kabisa. Jitang twista jitu ako mio ke bono ko ikatochi to chira nere. Mbiamono ke asante sana. Omanyite kero ko nyora bantu bara amaro no wate bire ko kolgiria bantu mbale bagendere. Wate banga tubone to jo tigara maiga na ando ko nyora nga anyway tinta itiko ngene seme yu ekiara economics talisa mo yana bono mbia mo na se engane yo kero kenda bande dingira na se mole asin chondo che chinga kichielile abantu online kutoka hata Kiambaa kuna watu wanataka kusikia maneno haya, so I don't know what we'll do, but we'll be mixing, don't worry, you'll get nande chinga kichindo manyiti au tanga charity begin satu ngana yo gatoranya takuni gitu kabisa ini ndo tanda kinga tuanyo. Thank you so much Professor tikancha se omogeni tu professor manakwira na se mole bwangu Dr. Bitange Damo ini lieta abange kero bakuliwa uno yo mtoliria ni ateba they think a lot kuwa mono hase in terms of professionalism inje iona mo manyite kero ala se ministry inde na jite ganga nyora abandi bakurukunda mungu bolinga nakibona mukuru kweliete lina ba mumule wantenga yeah, that's my uncle abandi kuru Canada, so that's how I came to know abange boino. But ekento nginyolete mono professor ne kero kuliga one of your publications yo gote abange kero kwa rura se ministry abasani go ba ke de sana ete kero ko kinyora ngora se kasana kiagara banta banji te korora success ne kero ba go se ora sigiti go ko ruaro rojisi michiakia ona so bwenge kingi mambale batako maiti kiagara ndo cha bantu mbaro generation inere una technology na technological generation na banda baba ke bono ko nyora kero kinde mba kuiweta se ministry na dengono kugunga Professor Ndemo bono in a very brief way otebenga Professor Ndemo ninga asibali ilinde banyale kwa bako manyanganiwa
ya elieta yonkuru kubitange oyo Ndemo kurubu gitutu nde nasomere teruro skulu ekuru kyoge primary kirogate baruro n'abantu balitu akabikire bikoro for the first time in Form 1 so nkaruoro ngachigosoma skulu endenyeri ngachagokorere skulu ekuru high school eri Kiambu nkamanya kuruoro nkagenda estate ekuru ku Minnesota nabona kabire diaspora muna babo ngakigabo babo abute bonsi nonye naye naona kabire naberete Minnesota emyaka 10 nkaira na gochanka nkaja inabwate birengere libyo ko mwalimu in my life tatige kere na chitiga shikambura ngachikorigi kashikabura pi nkaswa koni lya basongo chingeni muntu ndoko yandogote byo mungino mintu mugako mintu gashirite kindo mwana omoke mungina nero ondereta kandeta igoro uko joko mutebi mu muroli boli nasome toje ne chingeni yako Nairobi nero jete ko lero batebaga kyocha konsoki yabona nago somi go waikaiga nali na jete ko raro ubosoko ngatiga ndore kanena jini somete nkarole akabage university bakubodi umuntu osoma systems accounting which we apply nganyora ninche bweka nkairwe gashiyo university gantebe ngapaka nkole PhD nkaimuka nkagenda Bongereza ngakora nkairana ngakinwe kero nachagete university muno a tutorial fellow, the lowest teaching position as a university lakini bano na kini lego paka na bikoli de Beyonce bano no ukuganya tu ngenda ko retire.
Wow. Ange oite toro moto mai tenge gara tu ajire mai ko gaiga kero kwana nga koira nanka to te banga kero kende kero ba go seli ko ibuyo tigairo manya ninje ichirere yani intoli ko ruga igara isi to te nga bono tu abiumeire, so I don't know aso wingi ma ngi bono kiale okweni kare juira nenge kiara ngoro nga banta bangi abatole matu akani ringa ntoli ko ruma kumbe it is possible mondo disaidi ko endanga.
There are so many things, mina nagote na on it chingeni na teba deliberately the future billionaires are going to come from the area of agriculture because those are the predictions. Muna the period up yutera gotebia ICT koro 90s, the billionaire came from ICT. Bono shako use ICT in farming, bas no the billionaire chigo chikorugo. No chigo chikorua. Na roje tiangira nenka because there are so many things you can do kolega. Na kina iranirite.
Wow.
Na ndo isa kolgeredia na arabi kolite bitalibike.
Mbuya kegema. Bono kero kene to chito konyo na ande fora muinde kiera, you are very resourceful na magana na mange iga kongo kisana sege tenene. Bono kero to kunga Dr. Ndemo ande tu amana kunga professor so ire sako manyete bono igini to to bangonye professor so ire lirori igo ika chenso nkie kikia kungusamba ko gaswa grana itisako.
Asingenjo mubayino nori bw'abasungu bagotebana onye gotagite kugenda bwangu kwagenda ibweka lakini onye gotagite kugenda are genda n'abamino muna bono na ikire myaka 50 nimbwata abana nintagete mbatakire bagende fa onye bagochi kugenda fa bakando osyo obosani n'abaminto mugikorwa bagenderere ukimotu ebenga turi korengereria ukimotwe rirori n'obwate mechande menene sana na kina ran mbwatirane n'abaminto turigereri ki investment kire kingiya munabono nkira ngo nakobebereria erinde gosento bioke
Igo inchire no goteba ng'omonto obwate chitangutangu manyete manto omogusio minto ntue manyete ingaki chindo okorora egento giachaga gwateba ng'a eke nyarebe bachaga lakini gokorora ng'a professor Soire ono no gotwara oboremu ng'a egento eke giachirare igo okorora ng'a future yegisako kiara kwararigererie system ya Kenya gocha future yegisako nengiyere igo igiye gotoa oburabu ng'a gochimotunga esake bono amang'ana mbuyare
muna nagotebi igo ase areas cha investment chiri chinyinke ase developing countries kobua developed countries oisa koligere nonye ne interest rates aba America bakonyora is much lower than the interest rates here so chibese chao nabo chiko grow fast of course risk nerororo nga $1 ne change chibese chikane lakini oisa ko weko mokia na boko okomunyoka bwangu oisa kurigere the growth of equity, the growth of locally started companies was very fast even as the dollar declined ebina bitobone tutorengereri which areas we get into erinde tokore togendro chimotu oisa korengereri no ene ndagera yoka aba Africa toko import ya billion emie mona 35 kurungumbu naende Africa nere bwate 60% of the arable land tima timinango nyekwana sheke usi yani nabo tokurageria ense yonse pi toisa kubeko bongo bwaitonsu insebolinga ngokonya tura abana banyore chikasi na korosio mali ayara chiko bakonya wechimotu oisa korengera likabire yo igokolika abana bange sana.
Wow. Thank you so much, Dr. Ndemo. So what is Dr. Ndemo bringing to the SACCO?
There are so many things. Mina tuachara rugocha we tualengo kwane investment ya mere very key ere futuristic ere koligere limotwe abute no monto koleta ICT on the tayo there is nobody who will succeed kogenda gochimotwe onye tago adopt into go fourth industrial revolution eyo dominated energy technology muna data analytics big data analytics kiabo blockchain artificial intelligence go twara emetwe korengera in that direction together na abandi chi economist na abandi chi engineer, we can produce again take como sana.
Wow, mbia mano daktari. Daktari, manyete. Matuka edir maga before the pandemic it wala kota ino ane chika sa chito nga tuta ko embrace technology. Anto wa kota binga sa itani orete de technology nguru aniere no ana ne chika risa. Ono post pandemic kero mundu kakale ko minyokanga can we get something so ine ngane ngia sana kiagera go ikatulire igo chimotwe na Waswahili habari goteba nga pema usipopema ukipema si pema tena umuntu ndigatanganire utanganire igono goikatumio ke amangana ya kigima oyo minto Lilian ngaki muigwete kero mokonyora professionals bagucha sisako.
Actually, we are really diversified in the SACCO. We have professors here. We have about over 15 people who has PhD holders. Among them, you see their faces here. And we have medical doctors, we have lawyers, we have engineers, we have pastors, we have nurses, you can finish accounting. We have IT and information technology, as well as cybersecurity. That is where the Dr. Ndemo and Mr. Abute, they are going to be shining. By the way, Abute is a doctoral student in Arizona Phoenix in cybersecurity. And we have, I did mention about the engineer. We have engineer here, Mr. Arama Joel with the Verizon. So we are really well diversified. It feels good because we know we have people to go to when we come to investment, and they're able to, especially Dr. Ndemo here, he has a whole lot of data that he can provide us with the information that we will need for a specific development idea. And he has choreographed some, so we cannot go wrong. And when we have all these people on board, having all these brains on board, pulled in resources, we can go far. Nothing is going to stop us. I think Mr. Joel Arama can give a kick on that.
Yes.
Mr. Arama koranga kanyora na ria ni awiringa kanyora kwebile kabisa. Abane ko chanara sore bono. Bono rende na bwata mwa Kenya ko ibiri riba gerio bono kwanango.
Mbiyamana sana Muraria. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Injenko tabana again getanga ninkerina omugusi is high time we come together. Now we have people with diverse backgrounds. But then when you go back and look, as a Torwete, we should move our society and our community to the same level. And to me, what made you join the SACCO? Again, I joined the SACCO because, one, I want to be a member of a community where I belong and with the people with a common purpose. Again, I have a passion to support our people back home. You can have all the knowledge in the world, but if you cannot put that knowledge into use, it is as good as a stone in the road. I don't help my people. What is the purpose of me going to school? What is the purpose of me getting that knowledge? And that's why it was very easy for me to join the Grand Ghana SACCO, because it is speaking to me the language I understand. And it's the language of support your community. Charity begins at home. And then the other thing, this is a SACCO I have joined in March. Already I've been given a responsibility. We don't even have our leaders of the SACCO, the board, but they are not participating in this because they believe on the people, members of the SACCO, to bring their ideas and to be part of the group. So, as a member of the Investment Exploration Committee, na inde to bwana nede minto na kitora konya ne amagendro one of the things abidia tawana and you might relating kerina what we call crowdfunding ne dia bando montabwa the idea kwaje weka online abantu bagotumira kibesa, you develop the idea, you make a product, you sell, people make money and people move on. So a crowdfunding aspect ne dina kwaje amo investment in real estate mwagora abantu ketega bwa abantu tokwa kibesa chonzi mwacha amo, you buy it and then as time goes you put in your money together wanyerege ndogiao, you move on. The other aspect we are looking at the investment, particularly that will help the members to grow and at the same time grow our community. Renewable energy is one aspect sector we are very interested in. One, we can support our people, we can provide employment opportunities. At the same time, the SACCO members can invest and get return on the investment. Those are the areas that we are really focused on and very aggressive discussions to come up with investment portfolio that as a Granite SACCO member, you are assured of proper research. And don't go and somewhere and then all of a sudden the money is no longer there. We want to be assured that when we go to something, here are the risks, here is the challenges, but here is the rewards. So that as a member, you make your decision, yes, I want to vote for this investment opportunity, let's go ahead and do it. At the same time, you are also impacting our community in a big way. For example, if we do the renewable energy, okay, and then you help people, they have their systems, they have renewable energy, and then as the population grows, fueling, Jingo, and all those things are not going to be available. So we need to find alternatives to support our community, but at the same time, help people. You have an employment, you are having an income, which impacts the community. Then you don't end up going to so you make a community more safer that way. So those are the things that we really have to focus on. And that's why to me, Granite SACCO, Diaspora SACCO is the place to be. I don't know, Muzi, anywhere you are, please join this organization and you will not go wrong. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. In fact, don't I love to look for you. I'm a goal in Aroro. Thank you so much. Kuna wale wanasema tafadhali simunge lugha ambayo tunaelewa kama Kiswahili. Yeah, that's why we are mixing. Actually, we said we're gonna mix kidogo tuchanganye ndiposa unapata, but don't worry, we got your back. Hapo I'll share the link. If you want to know more about the SACCO, I will share the link, and then you'll be able to listen to an English forum yenye utapata kila kitu. And also there are also other people who don't get that, and we want to take really good care of them. So you're welcome to watch and share the link too. Share the stream because we will be mixing. Asante sana. Igon again irenga ntogenda yatakonyo robo semi bwa bene kigima kurwa sawa minto doje chinga kina bochi minyogeti kigima ayo minto studio B Edwin Mokaya nabora mente kumina isano iga kiagara mangana liga dochi ngambona kaligo chaka. Asante sana. Didi ko soma message bona iga. I'll come back to messages eni to ligerelia. Mono I'm going back to Dr. Ndemo. Tuanyoli robo semia na mangana mangi kingi makuruasi aba mintu chinga kichia le roho no mambi bosu samaro aba na endo nyiko ngende to goturi nyore goturi asense ya YouTube live, sema ya Periscope lero Twitter goturi live na at the same time Facebook live aba kusi Global Radio nere app yeito ase Google Play Store na boigo ase iTunes ki podcast inchiroro na boigo ase keroko genda Apple Music keroko ligiri taba gusi na bakonyora radio station ya Bakusi Global Radio igotore live 24/7 igonyore app na ria mangana ataliko gwetera ende bono ngakiora chogote abanga kero kende nkwa manyete kero technology ya gwikire mpaka ashe ogotoka manyango nga you can listen naboko tegerera naboko watch insachine chonzi andonsi asota gete kerengo kendi yonsi otagete. So it is unlimited at times. And one more thing ntara irana sio mintone linga abantu mbale bagoteba nga data yane bono unande gosene gisemo chi America bale limited lakini banyora nga babwate chi simichire chinamba chirane limited. So nainu ntoba charity. So what we do nkelinga buno kurangilie namba kwanangeli kawaida enamba nera abu ase website yetu agrnews.co.ke kusaba kusiglobalradio.com enamba nera abu ere 360-398-4515 enamba iyo 360-398-4515 enamba iyo kero kunyirangilia yego so radio straight bono nye data to bwati pano zichisa ini arangalie namba na ando si onye polinsiko ya US na Canada iko komenta ayamo kuruoro orangalie namba iyo gotegerera so gochikorosera na yote venga bono molero ngereire na ndo timuki karibu gotegerera bagusi Global Radio 24/7 iko there is no reason yora atenga toligo tonyoa ono Dr. Ndemo asama tukabwango iga iko bono na chiri kwa amangana ICT ekero tokuchugolera ICT na esako matukabwango ekero nale kuna gokora uchunguzi nkego mangana technology ni nyanjete alafu abantu abanga bakorambuli nga usia FM station ine ri togoti ni tobategera mbabuli nga ikwandora Facebook ono lende moboli nga ngoso ande gari aneme kero ngwokie gari chiteka ibere maximum chiteka ni ibere ndategerere radio FM station chiteka ibere lakini chingagi chinyinge igonde asesimi ndasechi app ngobeke bluetooth ya soire yanza kobuye radio station kurwanonsi bluetooth bono nkaroranga ji station yi jitogona gote FM station ne china matukamo tunjikaiyo ekiagera abantu batigera se naende toligocho gote bio monto nga bekere gose bekere news rero monta o customize entata que te gotegerera otebanga bono ontegete kuigu news choka oso station ibwate news yo download oso beka YouTube yana kobuga igo technology ya onchoirense na mangana manke ngonchoreriare bono esakeye nga kyoroche ICT lobo manyibwa obo gocha konya egenderera mutwe Dr. Ndemo. Ando chenga kwa muted bono na kuigure
gutebana TV nja chenche kagenda digital ega create chichano chinyinge sana ekere twarenga se ITU tokorosia the future of broadcast etwacha create TV ekagenda digital broadcast bono ngo chikobere mostly through internet. No nyene radio, it is about to move into that space so that the radio are limited by the availability of the frequencies. Chirichire mostly analog to collision via the air. So soon it's going to change, and actually you are ahead of the curve yourself.
Bono libo liliana lio mwalindilinga nga kia ICT gocha gonchora esako kia bono manyite kero twatore professionals na ntogoranga Dr. Ndemo paminto bakwanire kero kinde is there a way go se obwaitambororo let me frame it enchiranere sake gocha ko benefit kurwa your knowledge ya ICT
chinyinge mono muna bono oisa koligereria kere twarenga America kare nigo twagatumire chibese ne chinchira chinkongu sana chaira amatuko chama wikera abantu rero nabo omonto agotumira noene mpesa kuru US yagenda straight kwarorire abantu bakwaiwa madeni batabwati chitaito deed muna kare yarenge bono nkorenga grand itisa korengereria nkwaigwa yo minto arama talked about inclusivity. One, it means singa monto tayo rabe discriminated on the technology kero. Oisa koligere some of the products chigo chabono inchirichi ko use data kumanya ingontiri. Bako alone based on your character. instead of you chikolike logbook ochigwa obe ke omanya kwa kuchiba se kabiri yige minating ase biashara muna SMEs are going to be fully disrupted, completely disrupted, because the major problem as a society was finance. And if we are able to mobilize the resources, we begin to get young people who can exhibit proper behavior. We can actually provide finances to disrupt the SMEs, to use the diaspora to get the local supply chain into global value chains.
Wow, mbia mono kima kero kene ni jaso ro ringa na lia mwa saba tegere bwango iga bono yo minto tigango ngenda so oyo maso yomo kero kende kangana kwale kwa ngania bategere bamanyo totara kuro kurwa sole linde to mana kurwa ro to kore no mogedi to tigancha kero yo minto abuse kriete ri kanche kora mazo asi achieto
Dia na wageri kong lakini nende veraisia veriko kong mono abokono kamaronga njabona ngenda na bategera ringeringa. Let us come together. Kuna oyo minto riria nungaki ateba tatanga we are professionals and combine the abago kamuro chega experience jabo na ora nyona to over 40-50 years of experience. Na beden go practice pagana technology kunya somera mpaka to the doctoral level igoroka kidogo sakiwa infrastructures economos con the mother data there go to message ya ka Kenya there go get share up what create a pattern within seconds achievers in Kenya. And those are the kind of technology that what I would try for leverage in this circle. And with my experience and other experience, circle is going to be the most secure circle, not only in Kenya, but in the rest of the world. And we are also watching on emerging technology so that people can be able to get information quite quickly and in a safer and secure manner. You got my encouragement in the let's join the Granite Circle.
Wow, thank you so much, Mr. Maronga whatever.
Maronga, yeah.
Do chenga se asita ibole tunge oro memenduang mbuango rogo cha serio. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Arama. Ngaki lingana lia ulio mwa lia saba tegere.
Again, the circle is the way to go. We come together, we have more power. We have a strong purchasing power when we are together. It becomes difficult, it takes you long to raise the funds you need, but when we are together, we can achieve more together than by ourselves. So in Jenko and Garage, anywhere in the diaspora, please welcome aboard. Join Grand Circle, and I can tell you for sure, you will not go wrong. This is the place to be, and let's lift our community. Even just go to data, and Professor Ndemo can give you that information. The diaspora contribution remittance to Kenya, I can bet some good money now. Omogusi is #1 in remitting funds back home to support our people. Can we get that together and make some meaningful impact to our communities? Ezaka Nengia, please join us. If you need a reference, find me on Facebook. Don't a message. I will be more than happy to refer you. Once we talk, we know each other. I will be more than happy to refer you. The people I've grown up with, the people I've gone to school with, you know, join. Send me a message and I'll be more than happy to refer you. And I can tell you for sure, Moswati Lilian, she works extra hard to get you on board as quickly as possible. We talked for a brief moment. It's as if I've known her for all my years in life. So you'll be very much at home. Omogusi, welcome to Grand Circle. We are waiting for you to come.
Wow, thank you so much. Lilian naye guchigukũrĩra tigandaĩra nasomo geni baite kona kũrigĩrĩria rinde no inchireto kona gũsoma chinseme chichia maiko nchira amang'ana agenderete kero kendo kwĩbũring'a Kenya bono tũkarĩ miaka 400 maega ye chinse chinde lakini rende agoteba ng'are kũng'ang'e twana gũtachang'ora mosuko ntoike Dr. Ndebora ira riracũrĩ ingĩkwarĩ kũgania omotegereri n'ũyũ ũturigĩrĩtie agenda na kiwono Maragwa.
I think on the Minta Rama said it well. Chibesa chigo tomukorwa se diaspora goja Afrika igo chire chinyinge mono. Lakini anene igo chigo tumika ase enchera area basongo bakorogeta reproductive. Toisa gocha motoso ekorengereri go use it productively. Meaning chibesa chiri chigocha chinyare kubyale echinde insa kuyusirie ta echinde erindekere twabere chitachiri mono irori bono nabo goteba tiga turwe ching'ana iga chichigokora egasi ende iga eatikonere narigeteri mungateba na tiga twarosia ari ase tore gose twakora ebiasara first tutarachi ko invest heavily on capital areas, on capital investments. Toisa gochaka gokora ebiasara ahead, it's easier gochikorosia ebinto muno ebi gochimoto. Nechibesa chigocha chinyinge tosa use properly igo tokonyora twabere buya.
Mbuya mono, thank you so much. Manto mbale ntaraira naso mto Lilian. Yongona kuligere ichi message chiga online. Chinga kinjire ngoganinga kero kene na ara ete igo. Lakini bono gora ngachi message chigo chiko ucha. Ruto Isabella ago tanga mu interested Margaret kamto bomanya ago tanga mu interested tu Roni Kwamboka Irini Nyanduko na to ago tanga mu interested okobolinga tutuma messages wapi akoburuja konga Ruto Isabella ngo ko tenda so to message go chibono mangana imbi ya kege mayua namba ena bango rutorega. Asante sana, thank you so much. Wise words mangana Karista Mageto mbiya mno kigima. Let me see. Osama Boli na arabere ntaraira nasi. Indoje chi message chonzi patinda ite kororanga iboli ndikarega iga. Diaspora. Omuntu nawe kubolinga na kingo koranso kero kinde ningirana ekero mtoliria ni okwana na kwanera nikigima elinda kulinga ngakyo muntu ngo qualify kiara kero kenonyo kwanyorwa na gotene kyo qualify na ende inki ige kogera kero kinde yes naru contact information elindo nyaka bako kumanyanga na kyo join sako na elinde tunyale kwa tukubwaterana yo mtoliliani tebianga abantu baminto otararuringana lyo moelio batebiango nga kibago joinie sako na nga kiumuntu ago qualify omana ko contact information.
Thank you, Mr. Ontiri, and thank you, our listeners. My phone is blowing off. Wish I could have time to answer that. I will answer the phone later once I'm done. So for now, wacha tuingie kwa mtandao tuendelee kusungusha hiyo maneno. Ona tiga turara sera aga kweli kweli. So you want to join us, be a member, be 18 years and above, be a Kenyan citizen, either by naturalization or by birth. That qualifies you. And as long as you have your ways or means of purchasing your shares, which is going to be your responsibility as a member, you are good to go. The link for the joiners, I'll give it to Mr. Ontiri there, and you will find that link for joining us. So as you go to Google, you can write the Grand Granite Diaspora Circle. The website is right there. There is a join link for you to go in. There is a way to contact us. There are phone calls, and there is also the email address that you can use. send your inquiry over there. Somebody will be able to call you back. You do not have a reference or the person who is going to vouch for you. Since we are member referral, do not hesitate to call us. We'll find a person to refer you. Mr. Ontiri is here. Use his platform, AGR. Abagusi Global Radio will be your reference as of today. You have many ways to reach us. Come on board so that we can move this ship. As our members, we're gonna be having our marketplace right there as a good product that our marketing committee is trying to come up with. We are having the Young Achievers Club that is coming, that is going to take care of our Z generation. Z, yeah, generation that is between 18 and 35, and depending where you are, some it can be 18 to 30 years, but we're gonna put it up to 35 so we can have more inclusive. Our test is not the same. Their thinking and our thinking will be different. I'm old, they're young. So the young one, they have the fresh ideas, they have different talents, they are rich in exploration than we can. So we want to take care of that generation bracket. They are the future leaders of the Grand Branai Diaspora Sacco. Tomorrow I may not be there. Meno itakuwa imeanguka yote kwa mdomo, so lazima nipate mtu atashika hiyo patan akimbie nayo uwanja 400 meters. I will be going short races while they are going for long races. That is the people we are looking for to come and join us on board. So the Grand Diaspora Sacco and the investment arm, the wonders are waiting for you. The avalanche is coming. Look at the people we have on board. Look at the people who are just right here. And as you know, the world is moving very fast, or the high speed on the internet level. We don't want to be left behind. That is why we have the ICT community, or the ICT committee getting on board with us in the Grand Diaspora Sacco. We want to make sure your data is safeguarded. We want to make sure we are doing everything digitally. Ya ile mambo ya kutuma barua patia nani yule kwa stage alira chaike mambie mbolie yarume envelope ense moli cha konyora ile nusu. Sasa hiyo kwisha maneno. A beauty is here. We have Dr. Vitange here. Things are going really on high speed. So we're gonna get you taken care of. We have a culture of transparency in the Sacco. So you are well trusted. It doesn't matter how much the Sacco is structured, how good or learned people we have. At the end of the day, is your money safe? That is the bottom line here. Yes, your money is safe because we have that culture of transparency. We give you the authority, we give you the command to control your shares. Once you know your shares are safe, hey, twende kazi. Hapa tuna roll jiwe kweli kweli. Yeah, so let's make this avalanche moving. And as the Grand Diaspora Sacco, we are here to build the members' wealth. The members where you will be tomorrow or tonight or the next minute as I put until you're off the air. And together we are going to transcend into greater financial heights. Why do you want to be left behind? So nipige your simu, Facebook, I'm right there. Dr. Mr. Arama is right there on Facebook too. We have so many people on Facebook. Soon our Sacco is gonna go to the social media kwa wingi, tutakuja Murundo, sasa ngoja mtaona maneno. Okay, Omoralia, I don't know if I need to kick it a little more. If you know, you can give me the whole day and I'll keep going.
Thank you, Sister Lillian. Thank you for that information, for your sacrifice with your team. And we thank God for that. Oh no, ase balimo kona ontomera chimesmes na bate biringa mbuya mono kigima ase okaba amona inche chinga ki chiamono mambi wasu samaragoba mangana mayaki matwanyo lirwitira ase Sacco ya granite igo onye kwa bwato manyo ngwa manyetena kyogoswa negeni renga bono kwa manyirenga kyogoswa no bwita mborobi na ndengo na kuirorerande akaro kwanyore abantu bakona akaro kindi abantu bade kona kuragira bali kwana gote ngancarure tuguna kurera rio ka ngancarure tema kumanyanga inki kia gerenchare yegocha inki geko gerenchare yegocha inki tambo kwirire gosirienchare yo gonya bantu bagendete kuragera enchare gekuriete toro onye tori saba nkirinde ngakirindo rachura gendo kwarigania mesa no chi link tu ave kirengo be kande link boy go koiru contact information mo choma tigarari na ndarabwa to gotero kwe amase amo imaitinga abantu mbale baganyita mangana gete anto mbale baganyita mangana gete ugangoiga ase website yesako yere granitediasporasako.com uno mintate ba granitediasporasako.com nabo igo onye gode kulike email nabo kulika support at granitediasporasako.com osebo igo olike info at granitediasporasako.com kinamba ngurwa taliye nambo waka saa 7 ya botuko saa 8 ya botuko enamba ngurwa ne yo onye gotete kumanya mangana isakoka gite mwanya bantu nege kone 817-673-8035 onye gotete kumanya mangana isako naende by the way nabera abe yoli kemesmes and that will be in order na yo kulike message we introduce what yang yo tegete ekiara bantu people are very busy bantu mbali idle ngokora bari mirimo lakini hase mirimo inkwira bari chingaki elinde bakora yarengete igonye ngoko enambe ye tubaisha gote bangi nambe gona etubono chake korangirisa saba yabo tuko oteba kerokini ora tuma mangana makonki kima atume message goro yesako 817-673-8035 enambe ndegere 603-913-9245 namba ya kabirere isara ne menoti sato kianda eyemo isato kianda ibere inyesa to litukolia ya rotimbe ke dia advertisement yang commercial free iko kero kende bali mo kominyo kama ngana ikitu kamo chamu ngake chingundi ono dai to gotika no watera ko te basembe nga onda ai kero monene go ikatura mangana buna ko ngirega kero rochi korone gerete iga no monene ta gutura elinde amangana ya aitare pia mona soko tune in orino tune on the mic samangana mange orino tune Facebook Twitter na Instagram na bongo gote bia ngaba gusi Global Radio to sukare
nayo kolena nayo kugenya nayo kwanera manyete bikorwa nechi korocha